Have you ever wondered how to achieve that perfectly full, beautifully defined lip look that lasts all day? The secret is not a single product, but a simple, elegant process. Mastering lip layering is the key. It can completely transform your routine, and it is easier than you think. This technique is about creating dimension, depth, and longevity, turning your lips into a canvas for lasting color. Forget the single quick swipe of lipstick. We will explore a more thoughtful application, building effortless sophistication. Smooth, plump, impeccably polished, from morning coffee to evening plans. The first, most crucial step is preparing your lips. Think, you would not paint on a rough canvas. Begin with lips that are clean and exfoliated. A gentle scrub or soft, damp washcloth in small circles to remove flakes. That creates a perfectly smooth surface for even color. A smooth base makes every layer glide on. After exfoliating, hydration is key, but balanced. Apply a light balm, let it absorb, then gently blot. Moisturized, not greasy. Too much slip makes product slide. Now you have the ideal grip for longer wear. The final foundational step is lip liner, your architectural tool. Choose a perfect match or one shade deeper. Trace, then feather inward to create shape and a base that prevents feathering. Now that your canvas is perfectly prepped and defined, we can begin building color. First, lay down a neutral, long-wearing base. Use a creamy lipstick or a tinted balm. Warm it on your fingertip, then tap to press color into the lips for a thin, weightless stain. This helps it last for hours and evens your starting point. With your base in place, introduce the main color. Soft, romantic pink, or a bold, dramatic red. A small, clean brush gives precision. Load the brush, apply from the center, then blend outward to the liner. Work product into every crevice for full coverage. Press lips together gently to meld. Avoid rubbing. This is where layering comes to life. Add a second, more concentrated layer for depth and fullness. Use the same shade or go slightly brighter or deeper. Target the very center, top and bottom, to draw light and plump the look. Gently tap the edges with your fingertip or a clean brush to create a seamless gradient. Smooth, barely there transitions are the secret. For a luminous finish, take a small amount of clear or complementary gloss. Dab only the center of the lower lip and the Cupid's bow. Strategic placement avoids stickiness, enhances the plumping effect, and polishes without overpowering the color. Layered color, luminous focus, built to last. The layering of colors built the core, now we elevate it. One quick trick for a fuller pout, highlighter. It catches and reflects light. Use a minuscule amount of light, shimmery powder or a cream shadow, champagne or pearlescent. Tap it to the very center of your lower lip, over lipstick or gloss. That tiny spot acts like a spotlight, enhancing the 3D effect for luscious fullness. Next, perfect the border. Take a small flat brush and a tiny amount of skin tone concealer. Carefully trace the outside of your lip line, cleaning smudges and sharpening the edge. This perfects the shape, makes the color pop, and creates clean contrast. Blend the concealer invisibly, fingertip or a small fluffy brush, until no trace remains. The result is a defined lip with zero halo. It is a pro secret for a photo-ready finish. Before you go, press lips on a single ply of tissue. A gentle press, not a full blot. This removes excess and prevents transfer to teeth or glass, while melding layers to lock in wear. Your lips should feel comfortable, look multidimensional, rich in color, and ready to last for hours. Polished, natural, long-wearing, mastering the art of lip layering techniques. Prep, build, illuminate. Perfect. One of the most frequent mistakes is applying each layer too thickly. Thick coats can look cakey, feel heavy, bunch in corners, crack, and slide, making clean edges difficult and causing bleed. The fix is simple. Think in transparencies. Each layer should be very thin. Use a light touch, brush or fingertip, and build gradually, stain by stain. Tapping and pressing deposit a fine veil that adheres better than rubbing. Another pitfall is neglecting prep. Dry, chapped, under-moisturized lips create a rough surface. Color clings to dry patches, looking uneven and mottled. Too much balm leaves a slippery surface that smears and fades fast. Dedicate 2 extra minutes to prep. Exfoliate gently, add light hydration, then blot. Smooth, hydrated, with just enough texture for adherence. This simple foundation makes lips look professional, ensures even application, and helps color stay put. Now try it. Take your time, play with colors, enjoy the art of layering. Prep, line, stain, brush, center focus, gloss smart, highlight micro, blend edges, mastering the art of lip layering techniques.